Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to talk about Coconut Lagoon perfume from Paris Corner. Now this one is from their Ministry of Gourmand line. This is a perfect summer appropriate unisex fragrance which is sweet, zesty, citrusy, vanillic all at the same time. So let's begin with the review and let's see what this beauty is all about. Before I begin, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. I have purchased this perfume from Paris Corner India. I do have a non-affiliated discount coupon code which you can avail and use it on their website. I will share the details right here. Now let's see how beautiful this packaging is. If you see here, this is kind of like a closet. This is how gorgeous this box looks like. There is like a quality sticker right here and then some details mentioned here, and then this is your closet. So if you open this closet like this, then the perfume is sitting inside. This bottle is super cute. And this whole presentation is super fun. Like I can literally give this closet to my daughter to play with, and you know, this is the kind of packaging which will not go waste. Like I would not prefer throwing it right away. I would make some use of it, upcycle, and maybe let my daughter use this one. Now let's talk about the presentation of the bottle. Now this is a very heavy glass bottle. Like it has a lot of weight to it. Like you can see the quality that this one has. A nice strong metallic base here. Also here everything is in silver. You have rhinestones on the cap, which is crazy to me. And then you have Ministry of Gourmand written right here, and this is Coconut Lagoon. The packaging is super cute, isn't it? Like the color ombre effect going for this sea blue color to a like misty cloudy white color. Gorgeous. There is a lot of weight to this cap. This is a proper metallic cap. Now this is how the sprayer is. Diffuses the product really well. Now let's talk about the scent profile. Now this one is your citrusy meets coconut meets vanilla and some fruitiness along with caramel. So that's like the whole journey of this fragrance. It opens up with some citrus, mandarin and freshly cut green apples. This opening is super strong because the citruses in here they feel like you are holding a lemon and you're squeezing like a green lemon, which is like very zesty in nature. You're squeezing it in a glass bottle, and when you're squeezing it, you know, you have that lemon skin ka feel along with some juice on your skin. And when you kind of take a sniff of it, you'll get that bitter sour effect going on your skin. That's exactly how the opening is. Of course, the mandarin is adding some sweetness, and the freshly cut green apple is kind of adding a lot of character here because it's adding to the juiciness and freshness of this opening. Then comes a twist of watermelon and caramel. Here where things get different. Watermelon mixing up with all of these juicy fruits, and then caramel kicking in to bring in that sweetness. You know, it feels like a very lavish coconut water based mocktail to me, like where you have added some fruits, you've added some sweetness, added hint of vanilla, added a hint of caramel, mixing it all together, putting some cold ice and sipping that coconut water mocktail. In the base, like I said, it has coconut and some vanilla. Now coconut is not creamy here, it's not like coconut milk, it's not lactonic in any way. This is your coconut water mixing up with some sweetness of vanilla. Now Coconut Lagoon draws its inspiration from Creed fragrance, and it is Virgin Island water, which is one of the most famous Creed fragrances, and they have done it to a T. This is such a summer appropriate scent, like it just screams summers in a bottle. If I have to give you a mental picture of this perfume, just imagine that you're in your resort, which is like beachside resort, and you just open your windows and you're just watching the view. That you can see the waves gushing onto the shore, the sand, the sun. Then from your resort you can see your infinity pool, and you're just sipping your lemon mojito while you're getting a view of all of these things. So it's such a tropical vacation in a bottle, in my opinion. Super fresh. You can feel that salty breeze, you can see the freshness, and overall you're very relaxed. Your mind and body is very relaxed and you're just having a good time. Now let's talk about the performance on this one. Around 7 to 8 sprays of this perfume gives me around 8+ hours of longevity. Usually freshy fragrances are not that super performing, but this one is. Plus you will get the projection of this throughout the day. Like you'll get those wisps. This keeps projecting in wisp, and you'll get that gorgeous coconut water kind of like aquatic wisp of it throughout the day. Like this is not going to leave your side. The sillage on this one is moderate. It does not like immediately fill the room, but if you're passing by someone, it definitely leaves a scent trail. Now when I went to meet my friends did ask me what I was wearing. They really liked it because it was very fresh and zesty, and I was giving very freshy vibes, like a very clean girl vibe. So many of my friends ended up asking me what I was wearing. All in all, I'm really enjoying this scent profile, and I can understand what the hype is all about. Creed Fragrances, Paris Corner, Ministry of Gourmand is making waves in the perfume industry. They have so many good releases. Like you can check out the Ministry of Gourmand section from Paris Corner website. You'll see so many good variants that are available for you to test and try, and these are kind of like budget friendly. This you're getting under 3,000 on their website. Currently it is on discount. It is at 2,850 rupees, plus you can use my discount coupon code to get some additional discount. So this is a very good perfume in that price range, and the quality is just amazing. Nothing synthetic about it. This is such a nice, well blended, well rounded fragrance. My overall rating on this fragrance is a 10 out of 10. I am not a freshy person, but this perfume I'm really gravitating towards because I love the scent profile on this one. This is not your straight up lemons in a bottle. This is such a complicated freshy fragrance and has so many nuances to it that this is something that I'm really enjoying. So that's it about Coconut Lagoon. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and review. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.